There are pockets of emerging conversation going on around the world that are looking at the problems that we've got, the meta crisis that we're in, and what we might be able to do about it. And I can't help but feel that the wisdoms and insight and knowledge that are represented through Tyson's book, but which obviously exist in Indigenous people's thinking, are really important to bring to the table, to infuse those conversations. In fact, make those conversations awash with that knowledge. And it's urgent. It needs to happen soon because those conversations are going on now. So I felt I couldn't sit back and sort of wait for this to try and take shape. We could act now and do our little bit to bring this into fruition and bring this to life. So we just decided to get on with it and say to Tyson and to Deakin, please go.
The IK Systems Lab, Indigenous Knowledge Systems Lab, is kind of a seed at the moment. It's the seed of an idea, and my hope is that once it begins to grow, a lot of people everywhere, there'll be copycat ones popping up all over the place. But often a good idea, when its time has come, will attract people who see potential in that for innovation and growth. And that's what's happened in this situation. The Kearney group has seen some really good work and some interesting ideas that are applicable, in the world of finance, in the world of global politics, pretty much everything, economics, governance, right across the board. And very interested in backing this and providing some seed funding to see where it goes, to see what's going to happen. Next stage of the project will be getting together a lot more private donor funding, etc., so that we can start getting a team together. And so initially another senior research fellow, and we'll get a number of grad students, and even have some residencies for Indigenous knowledge keepers from around Australia, and start to grapple with some of these issues and see where the research and the findings from the research leads in terms of being able to create innovations and new ideas, new ways of doing things.
My hope is that the lab is able to sort of be a hotbed of wisdoms and knowledge creation that is able to infuse itself and connect itself with the conversations that are going on around the world.
The Kearney Group support is a tremendous start to be able to really build the momentum behind this initiative. I'm particularly interested that the Kearney Group is working in financial systems, has recognised the power of Indigenous knowledges and Indigenous thinking. I think that's a really powerful sign, because if a group that works in the economics and in financial systems is recognising the power, why can't we be recognising this across all our complex type problems?